just a little bit later today. Bill Goudy checking in. This is day 3, and I'll tell you what, I'm dragging. Yeah. It only goes to 1 o'clock today, though, and a lot of people will be gone. And it's just a cleanup basically, and I just gotta go. Even though I thought about just rolling over, nah. It's a beautiful day. I'm here. I might as well go. You know what? I'm wearing the Bill Goudy shirt. Look at the goodness today. It was my turn. Day 3. Hey, Catfish. It's what's for supper. That's what we're having today. I just got that out of the freezer. So far, I haven't gone out to eat. I've only eaten the food that I brought. That freezer is just paying for itself. I'm really liking that.
Had to be you.
Yeah.
Well, he's been wearing his shirts every day with his name or his call sign.
One of my friends has been wearing my shirt. But anyway, here. First of all, let's get this right.
Okay.
Jim.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Go Goudy.
Let's see if she
Now, am I supposed to be pushing this one?
Nope. You shouldn't have to push anything.
You should just take it? Oh, you get to record.
Oh, you had it on video.
Okay.
Okay, so. Hey,
Jim Gifford, KM4 MPF.
nice to meet you, Jim.
Good to meet you.
You come here all the time?
Yes.
Awesome. Where are you from?
Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Well, so's Kevin Baird. I met him yesterday.
Kevin who?
Baird. He was from Tennessee.
No.
I met up with him. Right, coming to the flea market.
All
right. Okay. Steve.
Yes.
Good to see you, buddy.
Very good to see you, Bill. Awesome getting to meet you. Been following you for a long time, and this is just an absolute pleasure.
Another YouTuber. All right. You come to Hamvention often?
No, this is actually my first year. I actually figured I saw your video on it, and I was kind of in the area. Thought I'd take a chance,
Awesome.
and come down and see it.
Sunday's the best day for deals.
Oh yeah, I've been seeing all kinds of good stuff.
Yeah.
Man, the problem is I only know about half the stuff I'm looking at.
I know. I hear you. Well, you can tell the Hamvention's over, and it's not the weekend anymore. This place is, I got a couple of campers, but plenty of open spots. It's going to storm, it looks like. It's wind's kicking up and it's sprinkling a little. I hope it doesn't storm before I get to cooking. I'm thinking I'm going to cook some catfish in the cast iron over that campfire, unless it's raining too bad. We shall see. It's awful windy. But it's warm wind. It's warm. Look. You're gonna hear me say it. Oh, it's ice cold. And it's so well deserved, I've traveled some miles. And it's early. Let's see. It's 4:53. Yeah. 3:53 their time. Thank you, Mark. Evie Crawfish. His link will be down below. He made this neck knife for me. Yeah, neck knife, striker, bottle opener, screwdriver. Yeah, it's a good one. Thank you, buddy. I met him in the Sugar Creek Build-Along, Sugar Creek Forge, with back in 2012. I met Crawdaddy Forge in person. He's an awesome guy. I met some more awesome people today. I wore the Bill Goudy t-shirt. Look at the goodness, is on the back. Bill Goudy on YouTube on the front. I got an amazing response. People just picked me out of the crowd. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remember that. Yeah, it was amazing. It really was. Some people, acknowledge me, other people actually came up and talked to me. Some people didn't want to be photographed. That's okay. That's all right. I understand. I totally understand. I'm a private person. At least I thought I was. I have people say, "Hey, are you parked out there? I saw you. I saw your truck camper parked out in the parking lot. Do you mind if we take a look?" I said, "No. Go ahead. Go right ahead." I tell you. I had no idea. I had no idea. I was going to show you my haul from Hamvention. I got some odds and ends stuff, and I picked up quite a bit more wire coax cable today out in the flea market area. And it was everybody was closing up and they wanted to get rid of it, and I wanted to take it. I could use that, but I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I did buy an oscilloscope, and I do want to show you guys this stuff, but conditions aren't good. I don't want to lay it out in the camper. It's too cramped in here, and already I got so much stuff laying around, so it's too windy outside, and I just put my little tarp, my little I don't know, what do you want to call that? Canopy. I put my little canopy away because I'm afraid it's going to rain on it, and I thought, well, I'll put it away while it's dry. I'm going to pull out of there, out of this campsite tomorrow, and so I might as well, you know, be ready. That's what I thought, rather than tear it down tomorrow and have it be wet while I put it away. You know what I just realized? Take a look at that. Yeah, Triumph Screen Printing is the one who made my shirts. I don't know if he made Calvin's, but I know he made Carolina Chris's shirt as well. Yeah, thank you, TSP. I should have included you in the list. I wasn't even thinking. You know what that means. I'm getting old. Thanks, man. That is so good. More to come. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.